Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video, we want to find the value of this fraction. Negative 3 plus 3 times 4 over 3. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. Instead of this fraction, we can write parentheses, the numerator, negative 3 plus 3 times 4 divided by denominator, which is 3. And now in this expression we have one parenthesis and one division. According to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. We first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. Okay, so here first we have to do these parentheses. Inside this parentheses we have one addition and one multiplication. In PEMDAS, multiplication comes before addition. So first we have to do this multiplication. 3 times 4 gives us 12. So we have parentheses negative 3 plus 12 divided by 3. Now negative 3 plus 12 gives us just 9. So we have 9 divided by 3. And 9 divided by 3 is just 3. So our final answer to this problem is just 3.